Ever wondered how to keep illnesses at bay? These tips will change your life. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining good health can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By incorporating a few simple habits into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your overall well-being and prevent a host of diseases. Let's dive into these 10 surprising ways to boost your health and keep those pesky illnesses at bay. 1. Boost your immune system with a balanced diet, hydration, and enough sleep. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides your body with essential nutrients. Hydration is equally important. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your body functioning optimally. And let's not forget sleep. It's during sleep that your body repairs itself and strengthens the immune system. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. 2. Exercise regularly. Cardio, strength training, and yoga all boost immunity. Regular physical activity is a cornerstone of good health. Cardio exercises like jogging, swimming, or cycling improve cardiovascular health and increase stamina. Strength training helps build muscle mass and bone density, which are crucial as we age. Yoga, on the other hand, not only enhances flexibility and balance, but also reduces stress, which can have a positive impact on your immune system. Yoga is particularly beneficial as it combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. This holistic approach not only strengthens the body, but also calms the mind, reducing stress and anxiety. Incorporating yoga into your routine can lead to improved mental clarity and emotional stability, which are essential for overall health. 3. Maintain proper hygiene. Wash hands, brush teeth, sanitize surfaces. Good hygiene practices are fundamental in preventing infections and diseases. Washing your hands regularly with soap and water can prevent the spread of germs. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day and flossing daily can prevent dental issues and improve oral health. Additionally, keeping your living spaces clean and sanitized reduces the risk of infections and promotes a healthier environment. 4. Avoid harmful habits like smoking and excessive junk food. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable diseases, including lung cancer and heart disease. Quitting smoking can significantly improve your health and increase your lifespan. Similarly, reducing the intake of junk food, which is often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and salt, can help prevent obesity, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Opt for healthier snacks like fruits, nuts, and yogurt to satisfy your cravings without compromising your health. 5. Get vaccinated and have regular health checkups. Vaccinations are a crucial part of preventive healthcare. They protect you from various infectious diseases and contribute to herd immunity, safeguarding the community. Regular health checkups allow for early detection of potential health issues, making treatment more effective. Schedule annual visits to your healthcare provider to monitor your health and address any concerns promptly. 6. Manage stress with meditation and hobbies. Chronic stress can take a toll on your physical and mental health. Finding ways to manage stress is essential for maintaining overall well-being. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and improve focus. Engaging in hobbies like painting, gardening, or playing a musical instrument can also provide a sense of fulfillment and relaxation, helping you unwind and recharge. 7. Detox naturally with lemon water and fiber-rich foods. Detoxification is the process of removing toxins from the body, and it can be achieved naturally through diet. Drinking lemon water in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and aid digestion. Consuming fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps cleanse the digestive system and promote regular bowel movements. These simple dietary changes can enhance your body's natural detoxification processes and improve overall health. 8. Protect against environmental toxins. Go natural. Our environment is filled with pollutants and toxins that can harm our health. Using natural cleaning products reduces exposure to harmful chemicals. Wearing a mask in polluted areas can protect your respiratory system from harmful particles. Adopting green living practices, such as using eco-friendly products and reducing waste, not only benefits the environment, but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. 9. Get safe sun exposure for vital vitamin D. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function. However, it's important to balance sun exposure to avoid the risk of skin damage. Spend time outdoors during the early morning or late afternoon when the sun's rays are less intense. Always wear sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Enjoying outdoor activities like walking, hiking, or simply relaxing in nature can boost your mood and overall well-being. Sleep well to recover and stay strong. Quality sleep is crucial for physical and mental health. It allows your body to repair and regenerate, supports cognitive function, and strengthens the immune system. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed, and ensure your sleeping environment is comfortable and conducive to rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Remember, healthy habits lead to a healthier life. Let's start today. By making small, consistent changes to your daily routine, you can achieve lasting improvements in your health. Embrace these tips and watch as your energy levels soar, your immune system strengthens, and your overall quality of life improves. It's never too late to start prioritizing your health. Let's embark on this journey together and make every day a step towards a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.